Best deals.
1. Aerosol spray for bike chain. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oil transfer pump. Built-in outlet and inlet valve to prevent backflow, extraction directly, liquid outflow in 5 seconds. The arrow indicates flow direction, ideal for vehicles without anti-theft filter net, such as lawn mower. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bike chain cleaner. Comes with 3-sided bristles that helps you to clean your motorcycle. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Hooks. Single net makes you be clear at a glance, easy to find items so to save more time, convenient for transportation loading or unloading. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Car door handle protector. Can prevent nasty scratches, against scuffs, nicks, scratches, and other damaging marks. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Leather key cover. Made from leather. It keeps your car's key from being scratched or damaged. All buttons, ports, sensors communication remains unrestricted without compromising on protection. This case is designed for everyday use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Strip for vent. Automobile interior trim strip adopts U-clip design, which can clamp the through-style grille without falling. First, measure the length of each grille at the air outlet, cut off the corresponding length. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bike adjustable. Ideal tool for chain cleaning, chain lubrication, inspecting tire for punctures. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Helmet cleaner. Antibacterial helmet cleaner spray inner foam which deep cleans helmet interior and removes bad odor, is extremely easy to apply. Cleaner is biodegradable and eco-friendly, reducing the environmental impact. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Helmet Bluetooth headset. Connects two mobile phones at the same time. Enjoy the use of streaming wireless 5.3 music and listen to GPS voice guidance, allowing you to enjoy the ride safely and happily. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Convex rear view mirror. It's a HD glass frame with round convex rear view blind spot mirror which are used in car side mirror. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Car door light. Car door open light fit for any cars, SUV, truck. Wireless design. Wireless car door warning light do not destroy the original car lines, only need to stick them at the door, car LED light. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tissue holder. Super convenient and practical visor tissue case for drivers and passengers. There are clips on the back side so you can fix it on your passenger visor or back seat. They will not slide off, great for kids to easily grab a napkin too. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Organizer. Front seat gap filler will help you create a neat and clean environment. This seat gap filler fits the car seat gaps. It's strong and durable that last long after times of use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Pressure washer gun. Features the adjustable nozzle, 0 degrees, 40 degrees slant direction, foam jetting a 0 degrees heavy flow. Multiple spray nozzle lets you switch between varying degrees of water stream intensity that lets you easily and quickly clean all your outdoor spaces and gear. This pressure washer for car make your cleaning more convenient than others with interchangeable nozzles. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hooks. Made of F premium quality material, this item is wide and deep enough for your purse, backpack and so on, makes perfectly clean and organized. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cup holder. Extender provides an extra space for placing things without occupying the original cup holder. The upper cup holder base can freely rotate 360 degrees. The position can be adjusted according to the body space, which is the most comfortable place for you to take wine, saving space in the car. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Water gun. No trigger to hold, you just point, twist and spray. It is used for washing cars, washing walls, family lawn, garden spray, washing floors, firefighting, multiple internal rubber O-ring gaskets to prevent leaks from the hose nozzle itself. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. LED. Designed to prevent drones from blind flying at night. Visible at 3 miles away. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Spinner knob. Adopts a curved surface convex design, which fits the palm better and is comfortable to hold to relieve your arm pain and fatigue. Premium quality ABS silica gel were combined to make the steering wheel spinner, non-slip and wear resistant. These two materials are uniquely sturdy and possess high durability, fit for prolonged use. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Car door edge guards. These door edge guards will protect your vehicle from nicks, chips and scratches. For most universal car, seal can be used for a variety of applications such as car door edging. Ideal applications include uses as van doors and machinery guards to computer cabinets, protective trim, upholstery trim, fender flare trim, door edge trim, automotive trim, child-proofing, weather stripping and adding edging to any solid material. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Organizer. Especially the car visor organizer with zipper, don't block your view, easy to open and close when driving. 5 pockets can help you to save more storage space, such as your phone, sunglasses, wires, papers, cards, pens, charger cord, earphones, CD or other things. So it is a great helper as storage bag for your car. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Climber. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy material which pedal is light and strong. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Can. Built to last with a high-grade body and recessed neat welded seal seam which makes them perfect for the rugged off-road. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Sprayer. Features a pressure release valve to ensure safety at all times, designed to deliver really long spray times while maintaining thick and consistent foam spray, designed to work without electricity, running water, batteries or any attachments whatsoever. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Cleaning gel. Perfect for cleaning your car interiors, including vents, cup holders, and dashboard crevice. It's also ideal for keyboards, removing dust and particles from between the keys. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Unisex waste bag. Top zipper pouch with deep pocket allows you to store items, multiple compartments and mesh pockets for easy organization, integrated key tether to keep your keys in one place, adjustable waist strap, also works as cross-body sling and removable thigh strap. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Mirror films. The films create a waterproof barrier on your car's mirrors, ensuring clear visibility even in harsh weather conditions. Simply peel off the protective backing and apply the film directly onto the mirror surface for a seamless fit. Made from high-quality PET plastic, these films are scratch-resistant and long-lasting, providing reliable protection. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Dustbin. Rigid cover that is held up or down by a spring, making it very easy to open the cover. Very loose fit, mini car trash bag do not occupy the other space of the car. It is very handy for you. Use for automotive car, home, office 8, can be also applied to kitchen, living room, bedroom. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Polish. High gloss, contains a unique blend of ingredients that gives extra bright shine and cover protection, easy application, just spray and buff, no extra efforts. Long-lasting, leaves a protective film that prevents and lasts for long time. Product link is given in the 30th link. Thanks for watching.